Beautiful. All right, guys, good morning. Another day. Part 2 of the downflow furnace install. I've probably done 40 downflow furnace installs, but part 2 of this one at a daycare. We got to do the line set, we got to do the intake, we've got to run new thermostat wire because they want an Ecobee and it has no common. Air scrubber needs installed. Handful of things, so stay tuned. I'll take you along the ride. I'll take you along the ride, but if you misbehave, I will turn this car around. And if you don't subscribe, I will turn it around too. Jeez. It is 8 degrees out right now, and I'm about to go braze in a line set. Come on. This battery's dead. I grabbed a dead battery. I'm gonna replace this insulation, put some spray foam in this hole, take these drains out. Now I'm gonna braze. I put my filter jars inside normally. All right, we got the wet rag shredders out. Nitrogen on. Make sure it's still coming out. Almost done. They're gonna have to come back and pull a vacuum because mine just stopped working. I think it was too cold to start, but I don't know, I couldn't get it started. So just about done there, but not fully. Finished product. Got the filter dryers strapped, intake strapped, exhaust strapped, line set strapped. I do have to cut this. I'm just now noticing that. Beautiful. The air scrubber on there. Looking nice. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I haven't edited it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be a short one because it was one of those days where nothing was really going right, and all the little tasks we had to do ended up being nightmares, basically. Tried to pull new thermostat wire. They mounted the thermostat right on a brace, basically. You know, you got stud, brace, 2x6. Okay. They drilled through that, mounted the thermostat to that, and then went up into the attic. Like, oh my God, what are you doing? And then stapled it up the wall, by the way. So we obviously couldn't pull that. I don't know where my fish tape is something. Anyways, had to run it through the crawl space, had to pull back the trim, put a pilot bit down, you know the trick. If you know, you know. Okay, so I was brazing today too. I feel like I'm just yapping at this point. So if you're still watching, you're a real one. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you like the struggle, or if you like the video, make sure you actually like the video with your thumb. Bow, you could use your index finger if you wanted. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.